And even when I feel defeat, I will live from victory. I will rise up and I praise you all the more. You lifted me up.
Malaking tulong yung programang ito na kinikilala sa buong mundo dahil nabibigyan ng pagkilala yung galing at husay ng mga kababaihan sa ating lipunan.
Fire of love and desire that I carried first. You gave me a sound only I can release. A voice in
Iba na yung ngayon, yung setup ngayon, iba na yung gawa. Kaya hindi nagiging sukatan ng kakayahan ang ating kasarian. Happy Women's Month to all incredible women.
to see. Even if my heart should break, even if I'm still afraid, I will rise up and I praise you all the more. And even when I feel defeat, I will live from victory. I will rise up and I praise you all the more.
Maganda. Kasi pinagtulungan naman, group effort.
First time kong ginawa ito, 57 years old na ako. I feel so confident sa sarili ko ngayon. Dahil ako'y pinagbigyan na Women's Month ngayon, kaya I'm so flattered.
Shoot me down with sugar cane, cellophane, and all that's in between. Shoot me down with lethal aim, baby girl, I won't tell a thing. Oh, how seasons change, winds picking up, I better look out.
Napakasaya na nabibigyan na kami ng halaga at malaki na yung ambag namin sa pagbibigay ng magandang buhay sa aming bawat pamilya.
I just want to love you. I just want to love you. I just want to love you. I just want to love you.
Dito po ay aming isi-celebrate upang maibigay o maipakita ang kahalagahan ng mga kababaihan na hindi lamang nalilimitahan dahil sa kanilang kasarian. At doon mapapakita na hindi lamang na babae lang ako, kundi babae ako. Mula po sa aming taga-Bataan 3rd District Engineering Office, Happy International Women's Month sa inyong lahat.